Do you know what? I want you to come and do something for me in my room.
I should come to your room. No. You know, when I come here, boss only told me that I should clean the bedroom here and clean here. He didn't ask me to go to your room. I can't go to your room. I'm sorry.
Hey, I want you to come tomorrow. If you don't come to my room, I'll let my mom sack you.
I know your mom can sack me, but your room is not my responsibility. I beg you.
Come here. I'm waiting for you in my room.
Loser.
Madam, I'm here.
I want you to clean my room for me.
Madam, you know cleaning your room is not part of my job.
I want you to clean my wardrobe, bed. You just clean around. Yes. Fiona,
Madam,
please come.
I'm cleaning the thing.
I said come.
I'm here.
Can you please take the remote for me?
Madam, the remote is just here. You can use your left hand and take the remote.
I said take it for me.